here are some benefits of these automated tools. They will create a draft FIE for you. A folder in the evaluations drive. They're designed to send you a link that will have all the information that you entered that you can then use to submit to the green sheet. The draft FIE that is created is based on everything that you put into the Google form. So whatever evaluation types that you state for that evaluation will be put into it. If you say that the student's going to get a speech evaluation will go in there. If you say they're getting a visual evaluation will be in there. Now, some of those are still in progress, but you'll at least have a place marker to help you remember what needs to go into it later on. These tools take the student information and paste it in using place markers throughout every document that you put in there. So the student's name, date of birth, age, school, gender, pronouns, everything will be put into all these documents for you. You can add more templated pages later. And when you do, all of the student information, name, date of birth, etc., will also be put into these documents. You will also be able to add cross-battery, cognitive, and or achievement sections later. And these will automatically be inserted in and pull from different instruments that you used in your testing, pull everything together for you. And lastly, the documents that are created are completely editable. First thing I'm going to show you is where to find the link. Go to your Google Drive, then find the Shared Drives button, the 2025-26 SPED #GrowingTogether drive, and then scroll down until you find Department Google Form Links. This document has many links that you can use. The second one here is the 2025-26 Create Evaluation Folder and Template Form. Open this Google form, it should look very familiar. The questions were taken straight off of the green sheet. There are a few extra questions like gender pronouns, parent name. These questions are in there because there are place markers that have been put into this program that those question answers will fill in for you. You'll notice at the bottom where you normally would put a link to the assessment folder, there is a reminder that this program will make that folder for you. And the link that you get in your email to fill out the green sheet will include that link as well. Once you've submitted the Google form, after a few minutes, you will get an email from me. In the email, it will give you a link to open the assessment folder that was put into the assessment shared drive. It will give you a link to open the FIE draft that was created, and it will also give you a pre-filled link to fill out the green sheet. The final step, if you haven't already done it, is to put the student on the green sheet. If you go into the email and click on Open Pre-Filled Link, it will open the green sheet for you. As you scroll through it, you should notice that everything that you entered before has been put in there, including the new evaluation folder. All that you have to do is double check and confirm everything is correct and hit submit, and you're done.